The International Dental Show, IDS 2025, is scheduled to take place from March 25th to March 29th, 2025, at the Cologne Exhibition Center in Cologne, Germany. As the world's leading trade fair for the dental community, IDS 2025 will showcase the latest innovations and market trends in the dental industry. The event is expected to feature over 2,000 exhibitors from various sectors, including dental equipment, instruments, materials, and software. Attendees can look forward to a comprehensive program with numerous opportunities for professional development, including workshops, live demonstrations, and expert lectures covering the latest trends and advancements in dentistry. Whether you should visit IDS 2025 in Cologne depends on your role and interests in the dental industry. Here's a breakdown to help you decide. Reasons to visit IDS 2025. 1. Stay ahead of the industry. IDS is the world's leading dental trade fair, showcasing cutting-edge innovations in 3D printing, AI-driven dentistry, digital workflows, and materials. 2. Networking opportunities. Connect with thousands of dental professionals, manufacturers, researchers, and suppliers from around the world. 3. Live demonstrations and hands-on experience. Test the latest dental equipment, scanners, software, and materials before making an investment. 4. Workshops and expert talks. Learn from top industry leaders about trends, market shifts, and the future of dentistry. 5. Exclusive deals and offers. Many exhibitors offer special discounts on new products and technologies for IDS attendees. Don't miss this opportunity to discover the future of dentistry at IDS 2025 in Cologne. That's a wrap on our look at the IDS 2025 in Cologne. Is it worth the visit? If you're in the dental industry, this event is a must. From cutting-edge technologies to amazing networking opportunities, there's so much to explore. What do you think? Are you planning to attend IDS 2025? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on dental innovations and upcoming events. Hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you next time, maybe at IDS 2025.